One rainy afternoon, Sarah was walking home from the grocery store. Her umbrella barely kept her dry as the rain poured down in heavy sheets. She hurried through the streets, eager to get home and out of the storm. As she turned the corner onto her street, she noticed something unusual: a small, shivering cat sitting under a parked car. The poor creature was soaked, and its fur was matted from the rain. Sarah's heart sank at the sight. She loved animals, but had never had a pet of her own. She paused for a moment, unsure of what to do. The cat looked up at her with big, pleading eyes, as if it knew she could help. Sarah hesitated. "I can't just leave it here," she thought. Without a second thought, Sarah bent down and carefully coaxed the cat out from under the car. It was hesitant at first, but soon realized she meant no harm. Gently, she picked the little cat up, cradling it in her arms. The cat was so light and cold that Sarah's heart broke a little more. She decided to bring it home, at least until the storm passed. At home, Sarah dried the cat off with a soft towel, gave it some food, and made a little bed out of a blanket. The cat purred softly, curling up in the blanket as if it had found the safest place in the world. Over the next few days, Sarah posted signs around the neighborhood, hoping to find the cat's owner. But no one came forward. Days turned into weeks, and the cat, which Sarah had started calling Lucky, quickly became a part of her life. Lucky followed her everywhere, slept by her side, and greeted her at the door every evening when she came home. One evening, as Sarah sat on the couch with Lucky curled up next to her, she realized something. She hadn't just rescued the cat that rainy day, the cat had rescued her, too. In caring for Lucky, Sarah had found companionship and a new sense of purpose.
Now it's quiz time. What was the weather like when Sarah found the cat? A. Sunny. B. Snowy. C. Rainy. D. Windy. Answer: C. Rainy. Where did Sarah find the cat? A. Under a tree. B. Under a car. C. At her doorstep. D. In a park. Answer: B. Under a car. What did Sarah use to dry the cat? A. Blanket. B. Paper towel. C. Towel. D. Hairdryer. Answer: C. Towel. What name did Sarah give the cat? A. Spot. B. Lucky. C. Shadow. D. Whiskers. Answer: B. Lucky. What did Sarah do to find the cat's owner? A. Called the police. B. Asked her neighbors. C. Posted signs. D. Posted on social media. Answer: C. Posted signs.
Now it's vocabulary time. Shivering, meaning trembling or shaking slightly, usually because of cold or fear. Coax, meaning to gently persuade someone or something to do something. Hesitant, meaning unsure or slow to act due to uncertainty or fear. Companionship, meaning the feeling of friendship and company. Rescue, meaning to save someone or something from a dangerous or difficult situation.